Student, today we will do question number 20 from exercise 7.10 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find definite integration of this. So for this we will use properties of definite integration P7. P7 property is minus 1 minus a fx dx is equal to 2 0 a fx dx if f minus x even function, if f is even, so this will be, and 0 if f is odd function. So we will use this property minus fx. So see, integration of this minus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan 5x plus 1 dx is equal to, we will separate this, minus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan 5x dx plus minus pi by 2 1 dx. This is, so now we will see this function for this function. We will check this function, this is even or odd. So see, f minus x we will check. So here see, minus x cube plus minus x cos minus x plus tan 5 minus x is equal to, then minus x cube minus x cos minus x positive, so cos x, and this is minus tan 5x is equal to minus x cube plus x cos x plus tan 5x. This is, so this is a odd function, we see that. So therefore integration of this will be then here, this will be integration of this from here, the integration of this will be 0, and 1 integration is x. So this is pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 equal to here pi by 2 minus pi by 2 equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 equal to pi. This is, so option C will be a right hand option. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.